Hello, welcome to Digital Team Builder. In this video we look at our online interactive workshop. The workshop is formatted as an online whiteboard template. Here we use Klaxoon, but other options include Mural, Miro, Microsoft Whiteboard, or whatever online whiteboard tool is available in your organization. It will look similar in each. There are 4 main sections set out around the main board. Let's start at the start. Our goals. Based on your priorities as a team, a department, or an organization, you can chat about and vote on which goals are most critical to the success of the team. They can be filtered or simply played onto the game board directly. Next, we look at the blockers. Any factors that can stop us reaching these goals. Things like work habits, technology, cultural issues, or process. As a team, discuss the key blockers, then create sticky notes and place them in the appropriate category. Agree on the most important blockers, and then play them onto the game board. Now we get into the nitty-gritty. Selecting strategies and tactics that will either drive your team towards your goals, or help remove the blockers. You can do this collectively, as a team, or in breakout groups. The strategies are all digital working approaches that generate great collaborative behaviors. Simple things that any organization can adopt. Discuss and vote for cards with actions that your team can realistically adopt. Then move them onto the game board and place them in the area that correctly describes what level of change will be involved. What can you adopt right now? Where do you need some assistance? Or will you need senior steerage? We do the same with the tactics. These cards are a series of everyday techniques that significantly improve digital team working. Simple things that get people engaged and active in digital conversations. Select the cards and play them onto the game board in the appropriate area. On our board, we now have a simple digital team working strategy, with clearly organized priorities. If needed, we can lay out the chosen cards onto the wall of work, where we can place names, and/or roles, against the specific actions on the cards. And a final tip. You might want to consider copying and pasting the cards on the board into a project management app, such as Microsoft Planner, or Trello, to assign due dates and accountabilities. And that's it for the Digital Team Builder Interactive Workshop. A way to quickly create a strategy for digital team working in a simple, online, whiteboard workshop. Thanks for watching.